We're here today to have a look at Ferguson Energy's most recent air source heat pump project in the village of Connell, just outside Oban. This installation comprised of an 8 kilowatt Nibe 2040 air source heat pump and 9 Stelrad softline radiators, complete with a new 200 litre mega coil unvented hot water cylinder. The property was constructed in the 1950s. It's of solid brick construction. It has double glazing windows and loft insulation at 300mm. If we have a look here, we have the Nibe unit itself. So this is the air source heat pump. This is a single fan 8 kilowatt model. It has a 7-year manufacturer's warranty. Due to the coastal location here, we've had the unit treated by Blagold to give an extra layer of corrosion protection. This coating is applied before the unit is shipped to us from Nibe. As you can see, there's a bit of condensate coming out at the bottom of the unit. This is entirely normal. You'll see the plant's moving there. The unit's actually running at the moment. You can see it's very quiet. We'll go inside and show you the inside part of the system. So here we have a 600 K2 Stelrad softline radiator. We have 9 of these in the property, varying in size from 600 up to 1.4 metres in length. In the cupboard here we have the 200 litre unvented hot water cylinder, the SMO20 controller, and the 40 litre buffer tank. Control of this system is very simple. Hot water is on demand at all times. The unit takes care of this without any need to program. For the heating, we have a Salis IT500 handheld controller, which allows the homeowner to easily program the set point temperatures when they want the heating on and off. This is also internet linked, so there's an app for your Android or Apple phone to allow you to control the heating from anywhere with an internet connection. This system is eligible for the Home Energy Scotland interest-free loan, which provides £10,000 of upfront funding. This is paid back to the Scottish Government over a period of 7 years. It is also eligible for the Domestic Renewable Heat Incentive, which offers the homeowner a payment each quarter for a period of 7 years. This system was installed by Ferguson Energy in May 2018.